Good evening, class 9, unit 14, water, pani, part 1. It is also in class 6, 7, 9, etc. But here, main objectives of this lesson are as follows. Hydrology. Hydrology is the study of water, its behavior, sources of water, two main sources: surface water, underground water or groundwater, properties of water, physical properties and chemical properties. Hardness of water. Due to mixing of some soluble salts in water, water becomes hard. त्यो पानीमा केही सल्टहरू मिस्यो भने पानी कडा बन्छ, त्यसलाई चाहिँ हामी हार्डनेस भन्छौँ. हार्डनेस टाइप्स टेम्पोररी एन्ड पर्मानेन्ट हार्डनेस. टेम्पोररी हार्डनेस भनेको बाइकार्बोनेट मिसेमा, मिक्सिङ अफ bicarbonates of calcium or magnesium. Temporary. Permanent means chloride or sulfate of calcium or magnesium. Removal of hardness of water with chemical equation. Temporary hardness can be removed by boiling by using lime water, whereas permanent hardness of water can be removed by using washing soda or sodium carbonate, permitted process, Calvin process, and so many other processes. Question number 1. Define hydrology. Mention some sources of water. Hydrology, hydros, logos, is the systematic study of water. That not only systematic study. Properties of water. What is water? Definition, types, properties, uses of water. Mainly two sources are as follows. Surface water, जमिनमा पाउने, सी समुद्र, ओसन महासागर, रिभर नदी, स्ट्रिम खोला, पन्ड कुवा, लेक ताल, ग्लेसियर हिमनदी. They are some sources of water which are found on the surface. Underground or ground, जमिन मुनि. They are well water, इनारको पानी, hand pump, roller pump, artesian well, seepage, etc. Question number 2, last for today, is mention some uses of water. We know water is very useful. Some uses of water are as follows. Number 1, for general purpose. Number 1 is called general purpose. For example, for washing. No, washing, cooking, bathing, cleaning, drinking and swimming also. You can keep swimming as general purpose. Washing, cooking, bathing or swimming, cleaning, drinking and swimming. नुहाउनुको लागि, सधैँको लागि, for general purpose, daily use. To generate electricity, called hydroelectricity. Nepal has the total potentiality of 83,000 megawatt for fish ponds, माछा पालनको लागि. Without water, we cannot run fish ponds. For factories and industries, without water, no factories and no industries can run. And water has very high specific heat capacity, 4,200 joule per kg per degree Celsius. It cools very slowly, heats very slowly, so it is used to cool engines, to make solutions, mixers, medicines, as it is a universal solvent. Universal solvent means most of the substances or maximum, most and maximum of the solute dissolves in water. सबै होइन, केही इन्सोल्युबल चाहिँ हुँदैन, जस्तो स्टोन, रकहरू हुँदैन. Many substances dissolve in water. So it is a universal solvent. For water transportation like boating, rafting, swimming, etc. For bungee jumping also. Without water, without river, bungee jumping is not possible. For recreational purposes like picnic spots, hill stations. Number 8, moisture keeps environment fresh and healthy. So they are some of the main uses of water. Mainly general purpose, industrial purpose, laboratory purpose, and medical purposes, environmental purposes, recreational purposes, and other tourism also. Tourist spot. For example, Nepal has a lot of rivers. long and permanent rivers, which are so Nepal is also called country of rivers, country of mountains, etc. So we have to give more emphasis to, more priority to water. Okay, this much.